Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Manager Tech, where we make content of digital marketing, YouTube growth, YouTube tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload video on YouTube step by step for the beginners. You will get more views, ranks better, and reach the right audience. Let's go into it. Please subscribe this channel, like this video, and drop a comment. So step 1, preparing your video file. Before you even click the upload button, make sure your video is ready. That means it is in MP4 or MOV format. It has a clear title and it has a custom thumbnail. So I'm going to share my screen let's to see the process. So go to YouTube Studio and log in, then click the upload button. Click the upload button, and then you are going to select a file. Select the file. Choose media picker, and then you are going to select the video. This page will be appear here. We have detail, monetization, and screen check, and then you are going to follow it step by step to fill anything, to select any settings here. It is very important. So here we have a title and the description. In title, use a clear keyword, rich title, think like your viewers. For example, we are going to write how to upload video on YouTube step by step for beginners. Let me write it together. How to upload video on YouTube step by step for beginner. Then we have a description. Write a 1 to 2 paragraph. We have a thumbnail. We have a thumbnail. A thumbnail, a good thumbnail grab attention. Then we have a playlist. Select playlist or create new playlist. Then we have it is made for kids or it is not made for kids. Then you select show more. We have a paid promotion here, altered content. You can select a paid promotion. So your videos paid before watch. Altered content is the video contain any AI tools. Then there's automatic chapters. You can select it. Then we have a tags. Let me show you how to write a tag. Then you click write a hash and write a keyword. For example, how to grow on YouTube. Then at the end you will write a comma, so it will be a tag normal like this. we have another setting here. There is a category. You select your niche here. This video is comedy or education or entertainment. So anyone, your video, you can select it. Then after you select everything and check anything here, if there is no any issue, then you go to the next step. So the next step is monetization. After we check everything here, we are going to select next. We move to monetization. We are going to turn on monetization. Select it and turn it on. If you are monetized, if you are not monetized, we are hope one day you will be monetized your channel. Select it on, then next, click next. We have a this is a ad suitability. Then go down and select none of the above, then submit rating here. Also, we have an end screen. The end screen, it helps you to at the end of the video, your next video to appear for your viewers. So select the end screen and save it. Move to the check. Click next. This check is checking for your video. It has a copyright of music or video is not your own. Then we have a visibility. We have private, public, and unlisted. So you can choose anyone, but don't select public direct because of check your video. Anything, if it is okay, you can go and publish it later. After you upload your thumbnail, anything, you go and check it, then you can publish it. So after upload your video, promote your video in a social media like Facebook, Instagram, and any social media that you are using. Then monitoring your views in a YouTube studio, then to see the views and the watch time hours. So if this video is helpful you, please subscribe this channel, like this video, and comment. I will reply to anyone. If you have a question about YouTube tips or YouTube growth, drop a comment. I will see it. So thank you. Meet in next video.